ever wandered through the dense undergrowth of a forest, only to catch a glimpse of a slithering creature weaving its way through the foliage? In that moment, your heart races, your mind races, as you try to discern friend or foe, venomous or non-venomous. Welcome back, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey deep into the realm of serpents, those enigmatic creatures that have captured the imagination of humanity for millennia. But fear not, for armed with knowledge, we shall unravel the mystery of distinguishing venomous snakes from their harmless counterparts by just one look. Picture this. You're strolling through a lush forest, the sunlight filtering through the canopy above. Suddenly, you spot a snake slithering across your path. In that split second, your instincts kick in, and you find yourself asking, is it venomous? Fear not, my friends, for I'm here to guide you through the subtle yet crucial differences that separate venomous and non-venomous snakes. Let's dive right in. Our first clue lies in the shape of the snake's head. Imagine it as a puzzle piece, fitting perfectly into the mystery we're unraveling. Venomous snakes often boast a triangular-shaped head, reminiscent of a fearsome arrowhead poised for battle. Meanwhile, non-venomous snakes typically sport a more rounded head, exuding an air of gentle curiosity rather than menace. Take a moment to observe the shape of the head. Does it resemble a triangle or a circle? Your answer could mean all the difference in deciphering the snake's intentions. Ah, the eyes. Windows to the soul, they say. But in the case of snakes, they also reveal a crucial clue about their venomous nature. Venomous snakes often possess slit-shaped pupils, akin to those of a feline predator, allowing them to focus with deadly precision on their prey. On the other hand, non-venomous snakes typically sport round pupils, reflecting a more benign intent. Look closely into those mesmerizing eyes. Do you see slits or circles? The answer lies within, guiding you through the labyrinth of the snake's true nature. As we journey deeper into the realm of serpents, let us pay heed to the serpent silhouette. Venomous snakes often boast a robust, muscular physique, a testament to their formidable prowess as apex predators. Meanwhile, non-venomous snakes tend to flaunt a more slender, elongated frame, enabling them to gracefully navigate their surroundings with ease. Take note of the snake's physique. Is it stout and muscular or slender and lithe? The answer holds the key to unlocking the mystery of its venomous nature. Ah, behold the canvas upon which nature paints its masterpiece, the snake's scales. While both venomous and non-venomous snakes boast a dazzling array of colors and patterns, some species bear distinctive markings that serve as a warning to would-be adversaries. Bright yellows, fiery reds, and ominous blacks, nature's palette whispers a cautionary tale of venomous potential. Notice the intricate patterns adorning the snake's scales. Do they scream danger, or blend seamlessly into the tapestry of their habitat? The answer unveils the snake's true identity, hidden amidst the foliage. As we navigate the labyrinth of snake identification, let us cast our gaze towards the serpent's tail, a beacon of truth amidst the shadows of uncertainty. Non-venomous snakes often boast a double row of scales on the underside of their tails, a subtle yet crucial detail that sets them apart from their venomous counterparts. Trace your eyes along the length of the snake's tail. Do you detect a single row or a double row of scales? The answer lies within, guiding you towards clarity amidst the murky depths of ambiguity. Ah, the dance of serpents, a delicate ballet of instinct and intention. As we observe the snake's behavior, let us heed the subtle cues that betray its true nature. Venomous snakes may adopt a more aggressive stance, hissing and striking at perceived threats, while non-venomous snakes often opt for a more passive approach, seeking refuge in flight or feigned death. Observe the snake's demeanor. Does it exude confidence or cower in fear? The answer unravels the mystery of its venomous potential, guiding us towards enlightenment amidst the shadows of uncertainty. Behold the serpent's sixth sense, a marvel of evolution known as heat-sensing pits. Found in many venomous species, these specialized organs allow snakes to detect the faintest traces of warmth emanating from their prey, granting them a lethal edge in the eternal struggle for survival. Marvel at the intricate design of the snake's face. Do you spy the telltale pits nestled amidst the scales? The answer unveils the serpent's predatory prowess, illuminating the path towards understanding amidst the darkness of ignorance. As we delve deeper into the realm of serpents, let us turn our gaze toward the serpent's arsenal, its fangs. Venomous snakes boast specialized fangs designed to inject potent toxins into their prey, a fearsome weapon forged by millennia of evolution. Non-venomous snakes, in contrast, lack such deadly implements, relying instead on more primitive means of subduing their quarry. Examine the serpent's mouth. Do you spy the gleaming fangs poised for battle? The answer unravels the mystery of its venomous nature, guiding us towards enlightenment amidst the shadows of uncertainty. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the art of discerning venomous from non-venomous snakes by just one look. Armed with knowledge, we navigate the untamed wilderness with confidence, forging a deeper connection with the natural world that surrounds us. So the next time you encounter a slithering serpent on your path, fear not, for you now hold the key to unlocking the mystery that lies within. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.